Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to buy or sell crypto for profit with spot trading on Binance. Now I'm going to be using my mobile phone for this tutorial because I believe most of you guys are using Binance on your mobile phone. And also the reason why I'm making this video is because a lot of people have been telling me that they find the spot trading section kind of confusing and they don't know how to use it. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the spot trading section to buy or sell crypto on Binance. To go to the spot trading section on the Binance app, you tap on the trade icon at the bottom center of the app, as you can see right there. So once you tap on it, you take it to the spot trading section. Now at the top here where you can see VET/BTC, that is where you tap to search for coins you want to buy or sell on the spot trading section. So we are going to tap on it right now. So let's say we want to buy Cardano, which is ADA. So we want to buy ADA with our BTC. So we are going to search for ADA/BTC. Now what this means is that we want to buy ADA with our BTC. If it's that you want to buy it with your BNB, what you search is ADA/BNB. Or if it's that you want to buy it with USDT, you search for ADA/USDT. That's how you do it. So because we want to buy it with our BTC for this tutorial, we search for ADA/BTC. So it can be any coin. Any coin you want to buy or sell, you can search it here. So since we are buying ADA/BTC and we have seen it here, we'll just tap on it. So once you tap on it, it will show you all the information about ADA/BTC. Now at the left side of the screen, you can see that you have some numbers in red and you have some numbers in green. The ones in red are up, the ones in green are down. And at the middle of the red numbers and the green numbers, you can see a long digit. That's the price of ADA in BTC. So this means that the price of one ADA is 0.00003192 BTC. That's the price of one ADA. And under it is showing you that it is approximately $1.96. That means one ADA is $1.96. Now at the right side of the screen where you can see buy, sell here, that is where you can actually buy and sell the coin. Now let me click on buy and show you how you can buy ADA with your BTC. Now, if you come down here, you can see you have market and you have a drop down arrow beside it. So once you tap on it, you're going to see that you have different orders. So all this means that we have limit order, market order, spot limit order, and OCO order. I already have a video on how to use the spot limit and OCO. I'll drop the link in the description of this video. So in this tutorial, I'm only going to be talking about how to use the limit order and the market order. So I'm going to start with the limit order. So I'll tap on limit right here. So under the space where you have under limit, that's where you can put the price you want to buy the coin. So right now, the price of one ADA in BTC is 0.00003192 BTC. So let's say you want to wait for the price to come down a little bit before you want to buy it. Then you can come here, the space where you have under limit. Then you can clear it. Maybe you can put 3160. Then maybe that means that you want to buy the coin when it gets to 0.00003160. That's the function of limit order. Limit order allows you to set your own price. So it allows you to set the price you want to buy the coin or you want to sell the coin. So what this means is that we want to buy this coin when it gets to 0.00003160. And then here you can see that you have another space under which says amount ADA. And under you have percentage, and under it you have total BTC. All you just have to do is just pick the percentage part. You pick the percentage of the BTC you want to spend. That's the meaning. So let's say I want to spend 75% of the BTC I have in my wallet. I'll just tap 75%. Or if it's 100%, you can tap on 100%. If it's 50%, tap on 50%. So since I want to spend 75%, I'll just tap on 75%. Now above the percentage, you can see you have 161.8. That's showing you the number of ADA you want to buy. So that means I'm buying 161.8 ADA. And under the percentage, you can see you have 0.00511288 BTC. That's the number of BTC you are spending. So above the percentage shows the number of that coin you are buying. And under the percentage, it shows the number of BTC you are spending. And then once I tap on buy ADA, the order will go to my open order. So you can see under here, you can see where you have the open order. Now, if an order is under the open order, it means that that order has not gone through or it has not been successful. So it will only go through or be successful when the price gets to the price we have set. Don't forget we have set 0.00003160. So if the price of one Cardano in BTC should get to 0.00003110, this order will go through and it will become successful and then we are going to see the order we got in our spot wallet. That's simple. So that's how you can buy with the limit order. Now let me now use the market order. So I have to cancel this order. If you want to cancel the order, you can just come here to cancel. So it means you are not buying again. So let me change it back to market. This drop down arrow here. So let me use the market order and show you how to use the market order. Now for the market order, you can't set the price you want to buy or sell. It will buy or sell instantly at the current price. So let's say you want to buy ADA with your BTC using the market order. You can't set the price. No, it has already put market price here. So it means that you are buying at the market price, at the current price. All you just have to do is just select the percentage of BTC you want to spend. So let's say again I want to spend 75% of my BTC. I'll just tap on 75%. So once I tap on buy ADA, the number of ADA I just bought will now show in my spot wallet. It will not go to the open order at all. It will go straight to my spot wallet because it is instantly, because I'm buying at the current price of the market. So that's the difference between the limit order and the market order. So just like that, you have bought your crypto with spot trading. So let's say we already bought the coin and then the coin has gone up, it has made profit, and then we want to take our profit, which means we want to sell. So you just tap on sell right here. So you can see that the buy is showing green and then the sell is showing red. So let's use the limit order first. So we're going to pick limit order right here. So once you pick limit order, don't forget limit order allows you to set the price you want to buy or sell. So you can see the current price of ADA in BTC is 0.00003197. So let's say we want to sell when it goes higher. So let's say we want to sell when it gets to 3299. So for example, let's say we want to sell at this price 0.00003299. Then the next thing is to select the percentage of ADA you want to sell. Don't forget, when you are buying, the percentage is for the percentage of BTC you want to use to buy. That's the percentage of BTC you want to spend. While if you are selling, the percentage is for the percentage of ADA you want to sell. So let's say I want to sell all the ADA I have in my wallet. I'll just select 100%. So above it is showing me I'm selling 159.8 ADA, and under it is showing me that I'm getting 0.00527 BTC. So you can see that is how you can use the limit order, and then once I select sell ADA, it's going to show you under the open order again. So once the price of one ADA gets to 0.00003299, the order will go through and then my ADA will be automatically sold, and then I will have my profit in my spot wallet. So that is how you can use the limit order when you are selling. So let me cancel the order and use the market order right now. So if you select market order here, don't forget market order, you can set the price. All you have to do is just select the percentage of ADA you want to sell. So let's say I want to sell 100% of the ADA I have in my wallet. I'll just select 100%. So once I tap on sell ADA, the ADA will be automatically sold, and then I will have my profit and BTC in my spot wallet. So if I select ADA right now, you can see that it is not showing under my open order. All my BTC and profit are already in my spot wallet. So that's how you can use the spot trading section to buy or sell crypto. You can either use the limit order, market order, spot limit, or OCO. Don't forget, I have a video on spot limit and OCO already. I'll put the link in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.